Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the GIF option not showing or working on Instagram. If you're having trouble adding GIFs to your stories or posts, follow these simple steps to get it fixed. Start by first closing Instagram. Go to your recent apps and swipe away Instagram to completely close it. Then, reopen Instagram and check if the GIF option is back. If forced closing didn't work, Android users can clear the app cache by going to Settings, tapping Apps, finding Instagram, selecting Storage, and clicking on Clear Cache. iPhone users should try uninstalling and reinstalling the app from the App Store. If the GIFs aren't loading, a weak internet connection might be the cause. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or moving to a location with a stronger signal. Next, update the app. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update the app if an update is available. After following the previous steps, go back to Instagram and try adding a GIF to your story or post. The GIF option should now be available and working. And finally, if the GIF option is still missing, it might be a bug. Go to your profile, then Settings, scroll down and select Help. Then tap Report a Problem to let Instagram know about the issue. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the GIF option not showing on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!